If you are traveling on Carnival Cruise Splendor and your question is how you will be washing your clothes, I will be showing you what all laundry facility is available. So let's see what all self-service laundry service is available. So I am on deck 7. This is the laundry service. I showed you the laundry machine and dryer on deck 7. There are on the other machines on other decks also. They charge $3.50 for the washing and capacity is around 8 kilo, and $2.50 is for the dryer. So each machine take 30 minutes. So roughly in a 1 hour you can wash the clothes and dry as well. So it will be costing you $6. I hope this video was informative for you. Please go on my YouTube channel. You will find couple of other videos on Carnival Cruise Splendor, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and happy sailing.